In today's episode of The Story of Animals, we embark on a journey to the vast and varied landscapes of South America to meet one of its most enigmatic inhabitants. With its long legs and striking appearance, this solitary canid possesses a charm that captivates both the heart and the mind. Meet the maned wolf. First and foremost, let us marvel at the maned wolf's striking physical characteristics. Standing at an impressive height of up to 90 centimeters at the shoulder, this animal is often mistaken for a small horse or a large fox. Its slender, elongated limbs are adapted for navigating the tall grasslands and open savannas of its native range, which spans across Brazil, Paraguay, Bolivia, and Argentina. The maned wolf's most notable feature is its reddish-brown fur, which acts as a perfect camouflage among the grasses and brush of its environment. Yet, it is the wolf's striking black mane that gives it its name. This mane, which runs along the back of its neck, is raised during social interactions or when the wolf is feeling threatened. But the maned wolf is not just a pretty face. It is a master of adaptation, particularly when it comes to its diet. Unlike many of its canine relatives, which are primarily carnivorous, the maned wolf is omnivorous and has a diet that reflects its unique ecological niche. While it will hunt small mammals, birds, and insects, it has a surprising fondness for fruit, particularly the lobera, or wolf apple. This sweet fruit is not only a nutritional staple, but also plays a crucial role in seed dispersal, making the maned wolf an important player in its ecosystem. Socially, the maned wolf stands out among canids. Unlike the highly social packs of wolves or the family groups of foxes, the maned wolf is a solitary creature. Adult maned wolves are fiercely territorial and will maintain large home ranges, sometimes spanning over 30 square kilometers. Their communication methods are as fascinating as their lifestyle. The maned wolf employs a variety of vocalizations, from high-pitched barks to low growls, to establish territory and communicate with others. Perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of their communication is the arrow call, an eerie high-pitched howl that echoes through the grasslands, adding an air of mystery to their presence. When it comes to reproduction, the maned wolf exhibits equally fascinating behavior. Breeding typically occurs between September and November, and after a gestation period of approximately 60 days, the female gives birth to a litter of 1 to 6 pups. What is particularly unusual about maned wolf reproduction is their parental approach. The male plays an active role in rearing the young, often assisting the female in hunting and bringing food back to the den. This cooperative breeding behavior is relatively rare among canids and further sets the maned wolf apart in the animal kingdom. As we journey deeper into the world of the maned wolf, we must consider its adaptations to the grassland habitats. With their elongated limbs, these creatures are adept at moving through tall vegetation. Their height allows them to survey their surroundings for potential predators and prey alike. In addition to their physical adaptations, the maned wolf possesses a keen sense of smell, which is critical for locating food and identifying mates. This acute olfactory capability is a vital survival tool, allowing them to thrive in environments where food can be scarce and competition high. However, the maned wolf is not without its challenges. As habitat destruction and fragmentation increase due to agricultural expansion and urban development, these magnificent creatures face an uncertain future. Their reliance on open grasslands makes them particularly vulnerable, as these habitats are rapidly disappearing. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of the maned wolf. Protecting their natural habitats, implementing wildlife corridors, and raising awareness about their ecological importance are steps that can help mitigate the threats they face. Beyond their ecological role, maned wolves also hold cultural significance in various South American communities. Often featured in folklore and local mythology, they are viewed with a blend of respect and superstition. Some cultures regard the maned wolf as a guardian of the grasslands, a symbol of the wild beauty and mystery of the South American landscape. As we conclude our exploration of the maned wolf, we are left with a deep appreciation for this remarkable species. Its unique adaptations, solitary nature, and ecological significance highlight the intricate balance of life within the grasslands of South America. In a world where the wild is increasingly encroached upon, the maned wolf stands as a symbol of resilience and adaptation. Let us work together to protect this incredible creature and the diverse ecosystems it inhabits, ensuring that future generations can witness the majesty of the maned wolf roaming free across its native lands. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.